Okay, what's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning how to play Slumber by Needtobreathe. It's in this really cool tuning, D, A, D, D, Dad. Here are the lesson notes if you want to quickly screenshot that. Okay, ooh, wait a second. Okay, there we go. Boom. And let me play the parts for you. So the verse goes like this. And then the chorus goes. That's just how it goes. Just a bunch of that. Now I'm just going to give you the framework for the song. You can go ahead and map out the parts and everything. But basically the verse, let's just do the chords. It's just D and the tuning. D, so tune this one down to D. The A string stays A. The D string stays D. The G goes down really low to an A. So you get that. Man, this tuning is so cool. Oh, wow, I love the song. Okay, where are we now? Where are we now? Under the dream. La, 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 today. Where are you now? Anyway, okay, so the chords D, G. Okay, just like that. 5th fret, A. So this song is actually like super easy. The strumming is just down to up, up, down, 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 down to da 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 down to up. And what they sometimes do is they get down and up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So they got the G chord coming in a lot of times, like in the instrumentals and everything, you got the G chord just. So for the verse part, it's easy. It's just like a boom, dee dum dum, dee da a, dee da da dum, go da. And that part they sometimes play. Da, da, da. So that's just like. I think that's what they do. I'm not really sure about that. But, I mean, you could play G, A. It's kind of like a... last line of the verse, it's just tricky that G comes in earlier. So instead of being D for long, it's D, A, G. And then the chorus is easy, it's G. I don't know if he does that in the original, but... Anyway, I just thought of something there. In the original, it just stays on the G, and it just sings those notes, but it sounds really nice to me. D. Then it's G again. Wake up from your slumber. That's it, and the rest of the part is just D, G, and A. Just listen to the original, play along with the original, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okay, that's it, guys. Have a nice day. We'll see you soon again.